Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is rules of addition. We'll prove that the rules of addition. First of all, we have problem a upon b plus c upon d convert into ad plus bc upon bd. Means first of all, taking solution a upon b multiply 1 plus c upon d multiply 1. This is the property of multiplicative addition. Means we have multiplied 1 with a upon b and 1 multiply c upon. But this is 1 does not change the statement of a upon b because 1 does not change the any statement of any value. Means say if we again we condition apply a upon b multiply d into 1 upon d plus c upon d into b into 1 upon d. Means this is a property of multiplicative inverse. Means if we cancel that d into 1 upon d is equal to 1. Means 1 is equal to d into 1 upon d and d into 1 upon d is equal to 1. Again this is the property of multiplicative inverse because again it is implies that a upon b multiply d upon d plus c upon d multiply b upon b. Means this is a statement such that d into 1 upon d is equal to d upon d, b into 1 upon b is equal to b upon b. Means this is the property of multiplicative inverse. Again we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Means a multiply d is equal to ad divided by b into d is equal to bd plus c multiply b is equal to cb again divided by multiply d into b is equal to b. Again this is again we apply ad upon bd plus cb converted into bc. Means this is a property of commutative property. CB converted into BC because we have converted for the statement AD plus BC upon BD. Again AD multiply 1 upon BD plus BC into 1 upon B. Means we have denominator converted into separate the statement A into 1 upon B is equal to AB. Means AB converted into A dot. Means we have separated the numerator from denominator. Means AD plus BC. Means this is the same value multiplied with both each value because AD plus BC multiply 1 upon BD. Means we have multiplied 1 upon BD with AD plus 1 upon D with BC. Means we have taken a common 1 upon BD. Means we have applied the distributive property. Again we have proved that AB plus CD convert into AD plus BC upon BD. Means this is the property of distributive property. Then we multiply with condition of denominator. Hence prove that A upon B plus C upon D is equal to AD plus BC upon B. Again second question simplify justifying each step. For example 4 plus 16x upon 4. Means solution 1 upon 4 multiply 4 plus 16x. Means this is the statement of A upon B. It implies that A dot 1 upon B. Means this is the denominator multiply with both bracket both values. Means 1 upon 4 multiply 4 plus 1 upon 4 multiply 16x. Again means 1 upon 4 multiply with 4 plus 1 upon 4 multiply with 16x. Means we have applied the property of distributive property of multiplication over addition. Again 1 upon we have 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 times. Again 1 upon 4 multiply 4 plus 4x divided by 1. Means cut. This is the property of multiplicative inverse. Means we have used the multiplicative inverse. Means 1 upon 4 multiply 4. Means this is the property of multiplication. Means which is such a value which is numerator and denominator. Means same value if in P upon Q form let 4n divided by 4, this is a property of multiplicative inverse, means 4 in multiplication and 1 upon 4 in division, means if 4 and 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 divide multiply 4x. Again, means this is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means such a value would be multiplied the n value, but not the change the statement of n value is equal to 1 plus 4x. This is the answer from by justifying each step. 4 plus 16x divided by 4. Hence, proof.